Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So Instagram have added one more new feature that you can rearrange the order of your post. So how to do that I will show you in my mobile screen. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram account and you need to select any post that you want to rearrange. So for example, you can select any post. For example, I will press and hold on this post. You will see the option as reorder grid. So you will click on this one. So now this your grid will be editable. For example, uh, I will move this RCB one in the first. I will keep this in the second, and I will keep this in the third, the Dhoni one in the third. No, I will drag more up. You can see. Now I will go back. You can see RCB, this my childhood, and CSK. Here you can see RCB, the childhood one, and the CSK. In this way, you can rearrange the grid of your Instagram profile. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.